Today's topic is what are ROS 2 distributions, based on the Complete Beginner's Guide to ROS 2 Robotics. We will cover more interesting topics related to this in our upcoming videos. Robot Operating System 2, ROS 2, releases are called distributions, distros. These are official versions of ROS 2, and each distribution has a unique codename, usually 2 words starting with the same letter, along with new features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and a defined support period. Examples include Humble, Iron, Jazzy, and Lyrical. Selecting the right ROS 2 distribution ensures better compatibility with hardware and software, improved system stability, and access to modern robotics tools and technologies. This table provides an overview of the major ROS 2 distributions, including their release dates, code names, support status, and release type. It helps beginners understand which versions are long-term support releases recommended for stability and production use, and which are regular or development releases. By understanding the ROS 2 release cycle, students can choose the most appropriate distribution for learning, research, and robotics projects. Recommended ROS 2 distribution for academic research and projects. If your work focuses on ROS 2 Nav2, SLAM, and autonomous mobile robots, ROS 2 Jazzy Jalisco remains an excellent choice because it is an LTS release with a mature ecosystem and long-term support. If you are starting a brand new project and are comfortable using the latest LTS, ROS 2 Lyrical Luth is now available as the newest LTS release for commercial robots. In our next video of this course, we will explore ROS 2 Jazzy Jalisco, one of the most commonly used distributions for academic research and robotics projects. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. For more quick and easy explanations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TutorPa. Thank you.